stop. Try it out and wind it up. Anyone can grow a home. It takes a few acres and your friends along. Learn how to design, build and grow your own hemp home in this great show. To stop. Try it out and wind it up. Anyone can grow a home. It takes a few acres and your friends along. Learn how to design, build and grow your own hemp home in this great show. In this great show. In this great show. In this great show. Anyone can grow a home. It's legal and okay. Hempcrete, hemp wool, hemp wood too. Fireproof, bug-proof, resilient, sequesters carbon, climate-friendly, circular systems you know to grow your hemp home. In this great show. Systems you know to grow your hemp home in this great show.